guys, welcome to my channel Pink August. My name is Alina. I'm going to be welcoming you guys to my channel by telling you guys why my channel name came to be, what your subscriber names are going to be, videos you guys can look forward to in the future, and also all my social media sites. Let's get started. Alright, so my channel name came to be because pink is my favorite color and August is my month of my birth. So your subscriber names are also to do with my birth and my channel name, which is going to be Leo's. So it all just kind of connects, and I thought it fit very perfect. Next, you guys can also look forward to these type of videos: hauls, DIYs, tutorials on hair, tutorials on many other things, maybe even pranks and vlogs, and probably much family. I will also introduce each of my family members if they're in videos with me. Also, here's where you guys come involved with this step. Comment down below what videos you guys would want to see me do. And all my social media sites are: Facebook is going to be Alina Petic, Twitter is going to be Lina Pina, and Instagram is going to be LikeABoss8114. So there's all my social media sites, my screen name, your subscriber names, and my name. And also things you guys can look forward to. So I'm going to be doing the questions of the day, and this question of the day is: what videos do you guys want to see coming up? So answer that in the comments below. Please like this video, make sure to share it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.